Hey guys, I'm going to give you a quick overview on how I made these Nebula coasters. I've had a lot of requests, so here we go. I start out by pouring a layer of clear into the coaster molds and I just let it cure. And then I take a silver metallic paint pen and just add some random lines on it. I'm not trying to draw straight lines. And then I come back in with the pen and just kind of thicken them up in areas. Just giving some interest to the coloring that you'll see. Now I'm taking alcohol ink and I'm dropping in red, orange, and yellow ink on top of that cured resin and just blowing it around with a straw. So you could do this with any colors. You could use as much ink or as little ink as you want, depending on how vibrant you want it. But I wanted to give pretty full coverage, so I go back in here, add quite a bit more ink, blow it around some more. If you want to see the full tutorial in real time with my commentary and supply list and all of that, I do have the full version of this video up on my Patreon channel, which is Tifton Studio. So if you want to see that, you can head on over there and choose a subscription level and you can get access to full tutorials. I've got a lot of content on the Patreon channel that I don't put up on YouTube. And you notice there are some spots that don't have any ink, just like some clear areas. I do leave those intentionally. I don't try to cover them up because I want this brown resin that I'm going to pour on top of it to show through in some areas. So I just hit it with a heat gun there real quickly just to make sure that the ink was dry. You don't want to pour this layer on with any of that alcohol ink being wet. You want to make sure it's all completely dry. And I like to use a dark color for this backing layer because it helps make, it makes those alcohol inks a lot more vibrant when they're showing through. And I did add some glitter to this as well, just to give it a little bit of a shimmer. All right, on molding now. So this is after about 24 hours or so, maybe not quite, but you can see the colors are nice and shiny. You can also see the silver lines and you can see some of the little areas where there was no ink and you can see the background showing through. There I'm kind of pointing it out. So if you found this useful, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. I love sharing all kinds of great ideas and experiments with resin.